This is the new 2026 Mazda CX-5, and the big news for this thing is not how it drives, it's what's inside instead. Yep, Mazda's first ever, great big, fully functional, modern, touchscreen multimedia system. I'm Bragman, Detroit Bureau Chief for Cars.com, and I got to spend the day with the new 26 CX-5, and the thing that excited me most is this multimedia system. Let me show you why. Why is this exciting? Well, for years, Mazda had a terrible multimedia system. This all new, all modern, Google-based system. The standard one is 12.9 inches. This is the optional one, it's 15.6 inches. That is a laptop screen plastered right on the dash. But the thing is, I don't mind it because it works really pretty well. So what does this fancy new screen do? Well, it does just about everything. You've got obviously Google Maps for navigation, that's built in, that's kind of nice. But you've also got a bunch of other functions as well. Like this actually is the status of what the vehicle is doing right now. What doors are open, put your foot on the brake, boom, the brake lights come on. So it tells you exactly what the car is doing. You've also got all the Google Store apps as well. You can download all kinds of different things that are increasing your functionality, or if you have a Google account, you sign into it and all your search history and all of your contacts and everything automatically import right into this system. So it sounds like this thing should be an absolute home run. And it almost is, because they took out the great big knob, but they also took out the small useful knob, and that is the volume control. There's no volume knob, it's a touch slider here, or it's a control on the steering wheel. You just leave a simple little volume knob in there and they would have had an absolute perfect home run. That's the only flaw that I can figure out in their brand new multimedia system. I think this new multimedia system might just be the best thing about the new 26 Mazda CX-5. I would give it a solid A-, not an A+. There's no volume knob. But you know what? An A- is still an A. Now, if you'd like to learn more about the new Mazda CX-5, or if you enjoy car review videos, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel.